What's up, you guys? Hey, I'm back with another fashion finesse. And today we're going to be finessing this cheetah top that I got from Goodwill. It is a size medium, and the first thing you want to do is try it on just so you can see where you're going to make your mark. And once you find that out, just put a pin to mark it. You're going to use your scissor to cut it straight across. So you should have something like this. And now all I'm going to do is take a top that fits the way I like and trace out the pattern. As you can see, I'm making a one shoulder shirt. So yeah, once you cut it out, you should have something like this. Now you just want to line everything up together so you can pin it down. And this is where you're going to sew, wherever the pins are. So yeah, just pin everything down and sew along where the pins are. So this is how it looks so far. I wanted to add elastic at the bottom, so I just did a rolled hem and just pin it all the way around. You're gonna sew where the pins are. So it should look like that. Make sure you leave an opening for your elastic. And that is how it turns out. Now onto the skirt. I'm just using a skirt that fits the way I like, and I'm going to just trace out the pattern. Once you trace out the pattern, you just want to lay everything together, make sure it's laying flat. You're going to just pin the side down, and you're going to sew along where the pins are. So you should really have something like this. And this part is optional. I thought it would be cute to add like a little arm thing, sleeve thing, whatever. So you just want to fold it in half, and I pinned it just to see how it would fit, and I end up just cutting where the pins are and pinned it again. I'm just gonna sew. Now that is how it looks, and this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was super simple and easy to make, and if you guys have any suggestions or ideas, just holler at me, leave a comment or whatever. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.